everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya. First of all, Happy Diwali. May this Diwali bring a lot of happiness into your lives. Okay, so today I'm going to create this look. It's a Diwali special look. Okay, so keep on watching.
Here I'm using Color Bar Primer Water. Now I'm using Plume Silk Bar Moisturizing Primer. For foundation, today I'm using Sugar's Stick Foundation. It's in the shades 37 Fredo. For concealer, here I'm using Sugar's Concealer. It's in the shade 12 College. To shape my face, today I am using Inside Cosmetics Liquid Contour. Now I am using Colourpop Chic Dew Serum Blush. It's my all-time favorite blush. To set my foundation, here I am using Fit Me Loose Powder. Now to fill my eyebrows, here I am using Lakme Eyebrow Definer. To create my eye look, today I am using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. From this palette, I will use this black color and then the shimmery color and the light brown color, and at the end the dark brown color. First I am applying the black color. After that I have mixed up the light brown and the dark brown color and started blending with the black color. Then I am applying the shimmery color middle of the black color. Now I am applying kajal. It's from NY Bay. To draw my eyeliner, here I am using gel liner. It's from Swiss Beauty. Here I am using Lakme Iconic Mascara. Now I am using Morphe Blushing Babe Face Palette. Now to set my base, here I am using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For highlighter, here I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Just look at this beautiful glow. Here I am using lip liner. It's from Colourpop. And this lipstick is from Faces Canada. It's in the shade Pretty Sepia 08. So my makeup is done. Let me just quickly show you all my final look.
That's all for today's video. I hope you all have loved this video. Then please do like this video, comment and share this video with your loved ones. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. बहुत ही अच्छे से आप लोग दिवाली मनाओ, and I will be back very soon with my another video. So stay tuned for that, and तब तक stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video. And Happy Diwali again!